Right before the Civil War, the Supreme Court dealt African Americans a cruel blow in the Dred Scott versus Sanford ruling. The case involves Dred Scott, a slave who petitioned for his freedom after moving to a free state. Unfortunately, the Supreme Court decided that an African American couldn't be considered a citizen because they were descendants of slaves. So, because Scott was not legally a citizen, he did not have the rights that came along with citizenship, and therefore did not have the authority to bring a lawsuit. After the Civil War, the 14th Amendment overruled the controversial Dred Scott decision. This amendment included the Due Process Clause, which extends the principles of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness to all individuals. It also requires that each state provide equal protection to all the citizens within the state. The idea of equal protection came into question during the Plessy versus Ferguson case, when the Supreme Court ruled that the separate but equal conditions of segregation were upheld as constitutional. In the 1950s, the civil rights movement took the opportunity to redefine the Equal Protection Clause. The movement won a major victory with the Brown versus Board of Education decision, which overturned segregation within schools. In 1964, the landmark Civil Rights Act went on to outlaw any and all major forms of discrimination.